Luminaid because we believe light makes a difference.
We were inspired to invent the Luminaid light while we were graduate students in architecture school. It was 2 weeks after the 2010 earthquake in Haiti. We were looking at what was being distributed, and we saw that they were distributing medical supplies and shelters and other types of supplies, but there really wasn't a lighting product that was being shipped in volume. And we saw that a lightweight, portable light that was rechargeable could really add a lot of safety and comfort to those victims.
Typically after disasters, the lights go out. And the alternatives are something like flashlights, which require batteries, and oftentimes people in certain parts of the world have to use kerosene lanterns or candles, which are dangerous and are fire hazards. Portable solar lighting, like our Luminaid lights, provide a clean and safe alternative to that.
The Luminaid light is a compact, solar rechargeable lantern that packs really small and weighs just a few ounces. There's a solar panel, rechargeable battery, and it inflates to diffuse the light and reduce the glare on your eyes. So if you press the button, it provides over 30 hours of light, and then you just recharge it in the sun. It's totally waterproof, and it's made of a really durable and weather-resistant material.
We sell our lights all over the world, online and in camping stores. Boaters, outdoor recreationalists, hikers, campers, they love our lights because they're super lightweight, they're durable, they're easy to charge, compact to carry, and environmentally friendly.
Since that first light, we've grown our company and reached tens of thousands of families across the globe. But we're still just a small group of dedicated people, passionate about working together to empower people with light. Besides our partnerships with NGOs such as UNFPA, Shelterbox, and Doctors Without Borders, we are also passionate about other ways to give back. So we designed the Give Light, Get Light program, which allows Luminaid supporters to help us make light accessible to all. Participants receive one Luminaid light for themselves and sponsor a light to a family in need. We've sent more than 20,000 lights to families in more than 50 countries across the globe. We believe that a little light can have a huge impact. Luminaid is proud to help brighten lives around the world.
Hi, I'm Joel Welf with Alps Mountaineering. Today I'm going to show you more about the Eclipse Table and what makes it so unique. The Eclipse Table features 2 levels. The lower level holds up to 4 drinks in the mesh cup holders. That leaves the top open for playing games or eating, without the fear of dumping over your drinks during a fast-paced game. This model comes with a checkerboard top and a set of checkers, which are stored in a zippered side pocket, so they're always kept with the table. Assembly for the Eclipse Table is easy. After taking it out of the carry bag, you simply clip the buckles at all 4 corners and then tighten the webbing to your preferred tautness. To take down the table, you simply unclip all 4 buckles and the table folds up and conveniently fits into the included carry bag. You can also just loosen all 4 corners and not even unclip the buckles and put it into the carry bag with the buckle still attached. The Eclipse Table is so compact and lightweight, you can bring it to all of your outdoor outings for convenience and entertainment. Thank you for watching.
Hey, Phil Hazeltine here with Kelty. Today we're going to talk about the award-winning Salida 2. This lightweight 2-person backpacking tent is durably built and sets up in a snap. While it can't set itself up, the compact folding poles and innovative hug clips make this simple 2-pole design almost a snap to set up. With 30 square feet, you can really spread out and get comfortable. 360-degree mesh panels offer exceptional breathability, while 68 denier polyester sidewalls provide additional privacy. In case of a sudden downpour, the full coverage rainfly is 100% seam taped to keep you dry in even the worst conditions. And when it's time to head out, the Salida breaks down as quickly and easily as it sets up, and fits conveniently in its cube carry bag for easy transport. Don't weigh your adventures down. Instead, grab the lightweight and durably built Salida 2.
The Sawyer Mini is the most versatile personal filtration system available. It's a perfect solution for backpacking, hiking, hunting, fishing, scouting, international travel, and emergency preparedness. At a mere 2 ounces, the Mini fits in the palm of your hand and can filter up to 100,000 gallons of water from any freshwater lake, river, or stream. The Sawyer Mini has a 0.1 micron absolute pore size. It was tested to 10 million parts of bacteria and 1 million parts of protozoa without a single breakthrough. This is the highest level filters can be tested to, so we're confident these are the highest rates of filtration available. The Sawyer Mini will remove harmful bacteria and protozoa like Giardia and Cryptosporidium, but it won't remove chemicals or viruses. However, viruses are rarely found in the water in North America and in foreign cities. The Mini can be used the following ways. Attach it to a Sawyer squeeze pouch and drink directly from the filter or dispense into a water bottle. Use it as a personal drinking straw to drink directly from the source, or scoop up a bottle of water and drink instantly. The Mini screws directly onto most standard water bottles, which is great for suspect water overseas. Use it inline on a hydration pack. This allows you to fill your hydration pack directly from the source and filter water as you're drinking through the bite valve. Sawyer filters are so robust, they can be backwashed with high pressures and reused over and over again. Cleaning the Sawyer Mini is really simple. You just take the included cleaning plunger and fill it up with some filtered water. Then take the Mini and insert the tip of the plunger into the end of the filter opposite of the flow arrow. Then forcefully push the water back through the Mini. You repeat this process a couple times until the water comes through clear and easy and you have a clean filter. If you have any questions or comments, we'd love to hear from you, so send us an email to feedback@sawyer.com.
When it comes to shedding light on a situation, we've got you covered. Etekcity's collapsible lantern features 360 degrees of bright LED lighting designed with 30 LED bulbs evenly illuminating surrounding objects. Built for the outdoors, the lantern is made with military-grade, water-resistant material. While featuring lightweight portability, the lantern also offers the rugged durability to handle impacts, drops, and drizzly weather. To activate the light of the lantern, simply pull up the fold-away handles and extend for brightness. Easily control the amount of light provided by the lantern by adjusting its height. The collapsible design makes storage and portability easy and effortless. Handy for emergency situations and outdoor recreation, the lantern will provide up to 12 hours of dependable lighting. When battery power is running low, the lantern will automatically dim itself in order to conserve and extend battery life and usage. Just pull and go. Take the lantern along for on-the-go lighting for camping and hiking trips. Easily hang the lantern for hands-free illumination. The lantern was designed for safe and easy use for all ages. Even when it's used for an extended period of time, the outer surface won't overheat and burn at the touch of a hand. Fold down and collapse the lantern to easily store it in any car compartment or emergency kit. When in immediate need of light, the lantern provides bright illumination with easier handling than the smartphone in your pocket. Whether used around the house or out and about, Etekcity's collapsible lantern will bring 360 degrees of illumination to the palm of your hand. It's a simpler, safer, and brighter idea.
Roomy, affordable, and value-packed, the Morrison 2 Evo and Morrison 4 Evo are the ideal tents for your backpacking adventures. Based on the award-winning Morrison 2, we've stepped it up a notch with increased living space and a more versatile design for 3-season weather. The included footprint allows you to use the fast fly configuration to save weight, or use the tent as a stellar sun shelter. To set up the Morrison Evo tents, start by spreading out the included footprint. Add the tent on top and assemble the poles. Be sure to pass the gold poles under the green brow pole sleeve. Insert the tips into the grommets at the corners and then attach the clips to the poles. These clips save weight and help with breathability under the tent fly. Add the silver brow pole up top to create lots of headroom. Add the fly on top, clip the corners, and stake out the tent. These ventilation windows increase breathability on those hot, humid nights. Stay worry-free with our fully seam-taped and waterproof bathtub floor and rain fly. The vestibules at each door cover your extra gear at night. The 2 doors make it easy to get in and out, and the no-seam mesh wall panels allow for plenty of airflow. Inside, the detachable ceiling loft pocket is a great place to stash your headlamp, and down low, the mesh storage pockets keep your reading materials handy. The neutral colors of the Morrison Evo blend in with the environment and keep the bugs at bay. These versatile, highly livable tents will make a great home on your next trip into the hills. The Morrison 2 Evo and Morrison 4 Evo with footprint from Mountainsmith.
Hi, my name's Taylor. I'm here to show you the Nozipp Sleeping Bag. The most unique feature of the sleeping bag is our magnetic entry system. So getting in and out is literally a snap. We have 2 rows of precisely aligned magnets, and what that creates is a big torso overlap, which allows us to keep drafts out while using fewer magnets, and that keeps the weight competitive. Now, with this big overlapping torso baffle, we have a very unique feature, what we like to call roomy mode, or our quickly expanding shape. Now you've got more room to roll around when the weather's mild. It works more like your quilted home and it easily dumps heat. The sleeping bag also comes with a bunch of standard features, like your full neck collar and your full hood cinch. This particular bag is filled with 850 fill down and is good to a lower limit of 15 degrees Fahrenheit. Feel free to reach out to us at sleepingbags@nozipp.com. Thanks.